Imagine earning $200,000 a year and still being broke. Welcome to Wealth Blueprint.
You ever feel like that whole compound interest thing is, well, kind of a scam? I mean, they tell you it's this magical force, the eighth wonder of the world, right? But then you look at your account and the progress is just painfully slow. If that sounds familiar, then you are in exactly the right place, because today we're gonna pull back the curtain. So let's just get right to it and ask the big question. Is it a scam? Look, that frustration you're feeling, it's 100% real and it's valid. But it's not because compounding is a lie. It's because you've only been told part of the story. You do everything you're supposed to do. You save up, you invest it, you check your account a few months later, and the growth is just tiny. It's that sinking feeling in your gut that you're gonna be ancient before you see any real life-changing money. And you know what? That is just demoralizing.
All right, so here's the secret. The reason it feels so slow is that most people are trying to drive their financial vehicle with only one engine running. And yeah, that's gonna be a slow, frustrating crawl. But what if I told you there are 3 other hidden engines? When you fire up all 4 of them together, you don't crawl, you create unstoppable momentum. Let's go find them. Okay, engine number 1, the dividend engine. Think of this as the quiet, unassuming workhorse that builds fortunes in the background. This is the very first step to turning that slow crawl into an absolute sprint. The key here is something called DRIP, a dividend reinvestment plan. And this requires a huge mindset shift. See, most people get a dividend and they see it as a little bonus, some pocket money to spend. But the wealthy, they see every single dollar as a seed. A DRIP automatically takes those dividend seeds and plants them right back into the company, buying you more shares. And guess what? Those new shares then pay out their own dividends. It creates this powerful, self-feeding loop. And I'm not talking about a small boost here. We're talking about sheer power. Get this, historically, a full 1/3 of the S&P 500's total return, all of its growth, has come from reinvesting those dividends. Just let that sink in for a second, 1/3. So, let's be crystal clear about this. If you are not reinvesting your dividends, you are literally, actively giving away 1/3 of your future wealth. It's like working a 5-day week but telling your boss, just pay me for 3.5 days. You would never do that, so don't let your money do it either. All right, let's fire up engine number 2, the time engine. I call this the invisible multiplier. This is the force that does all the heavy lifting for you, but it needs the one thing that most people just struggle with: patience. I want you to think of your wealth like bamboo. For years, sometimes 5 years, it grows this massive root system completely underground. You see nothing on the surface. It feels like nothing is happening. And then all of a sudden, it can shoot up 90 feet in just a few weeks. Your investments work the exact same way. The biggest, most explosive growth happens after a long period of what feels like invisible progress. And this right here is why trying to time the market is a fool's game. It just is. Jumping in and out because you're scared or greedy guarantees you will miss the market's best days. And those few days account for almost all of the gains. Time in the market is what matters. The market rewards patience way more than it ever rewards precision. Now for our 3rd engine. This is your psychological superpower, the consistency engine. This is how you take the market's scariest moments, all those dips and crashes, and you turn them into your greatest advantage. The tool for this is called dollar cost averaging, or DCA, and it is incredibly simple. You just invest a fixed amount of money, say $200, on a fixed schedule, like the first of every single month. Doesn't matter if the market is up or down, you do it no matter what. This puts your investing on autopilot, and it takes your own worst enemy, your emotions, completely out of the game. And here is the beautiful reframe. When you're using DCA, a market dip is no longer a reason to panic. It's a sale. It is a Black Friday for stocks. Your fixed investment, that $200, now buys you more shares when prices are low. You are systematically, automatically buying low, which sets you up for absolutely massive gains when the market eventually recovers. And that brings us to the 4th and final engine, the growth engine. See, this is about being selective. It's about pouring all that time and consistency into assets that are actually designed to expand all on their own. So first, let's talk about what to avoid. You have to stop chasing those sketchy, super high yield, get-rich-quick stocks. They are almost always traps. Companies that are unpredictable, with payouts that aren't sustainable, that's a fast track to losing money, not building real wealth. Instead, what you want to seek out are strong, reputable, and yeah, even boring companies. Specifically, you're looking for businesses with a long, proven history of not just paying dividends, but of raising their dividends year after year after year.
Think of it like this. These companies are creating a river of cash flow that goes directly into your account. And because these companies have a reputation to protect, they will often keep raising those dividend payments even during a recession. Now, what does that mean? It means your income from your investments can actually go up when the rest of the market is going down.
So there you have it, the 4 engines: reinvestment, time, consistency, and growth. And they don't just add up, they multiply each other. They create this powerful, self-feeding loop that works for you while you eat, while you sleep, while you live your life. So now it's time to turn this knowledge into action.
You can do this tonight, seriously. 3 simple steps. First, log into your brokerage account and find the setting to activate DRIP. It's usually just a checkbox. Second, set up an automatic monthly transfer into that account. Boom, that's your consistency engine. And third, consider adding a solid dividend growth fund to your portfolio. That fires up your growth engine.
So, is compound interest a scam? No. It just needs all 4 engines to really fly. And I want you to remember this. Compounding doesn't need your permission to work its magic. It just needs your patience. Start your engines tonight.
If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Join the Wealth Blueprint community